Hello, everyone. Welcome or welcome back. My name is NikkaNadia. We are going to do a short class today going through floor choreography. So normally a lot of videos I have on here are floor work practice and technique, but we're going to practice putting together a little combo today, okay? So we're going to get started. Make sure that you're warmed up. Seated, cross your outer leg, okay? And we're gonna have chest accent, up, up, camel, down with the belly roll. So up, camel down with belly roll. Once more, up, camel, belly roll. Snake arm, reach, place, hands, lift, up. Again, we have chest, camel with belly roll, reach, plant, hands up. Once more. Lift, camel with belly roll, reach, and up. Circle, uncross, head back. Shimmy, 2, 3, 4, relax. Again. And chest, camel, belly roll. Arm, plant, lift, circle, uncross. Shimmy, 2, 3, turn. Reach, circle. Okay, shimmy 2, 3, 4. Put down, turn, cross. Top leg on top, obviously. Then reach. So shoulder, elbow, wrist. Hand comes to the head. Chest. Okay? Here we go again. From the very top. Outer leg crossing. Chest. Roll. And arms. Plant. Hips. Uncross head and shimmy. 2, 3, 4. Come down. Arm, chest. Repeat. Arm, chest. Okay, here we go again. Cross outer leg. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest, camel, belly roll. Arm, in. Hands come back. And circle. Shimmy. 2, 3, 4. Plant. Reach. Chest. Repeat. Reach. Chest. Push in. 2, 3, 4. Shimmy down. 2, 3. Repeat. In. 2, 3, 4. Shimmy down. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here, arm, chest, arm, chest. You're gonna push gracefully. Engage your core. Push off of this arm. Tuck your legs in, and you're gonna use yourself pulling to center to pull this hip out, up, and in. Out, up, and in. Out, up, and in. Out, up, and in. Down. And that's just a little wobble, and I am accenting my hip down, almost like a lockdown, okay? Again, up, and down. Last time, up, down, down, sit, and up, 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 up. Actually, that accent is down, but I'm saying chest up. But chest goes down, 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 reach, reach, hand, hand, and we'll finish there. Down, 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 reach, reach, hand, hand, and look away. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest, chest, roll, roll, reach, 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 up, up, and circle, shimmy, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, put it down, arm, arm, circle, circle, repeat, arm, arm, circle, circle, push, in, 2, 3, 4, and down, 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 and faster, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, sit, boom, 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 arm, arm, hand, hand, let's repeat, boom, 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 arm, arm, hand, hand. Good. I hope that was fun. You can rewind, keep practicing. I've got to go, but thank you so much. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.